in SEO, the first thing will be like a searching for the right keyword, right? So to search a best keyword, we already discussed about a Google keyword planner as well as the Google trends and alerts. These three tools we already discussed in a Google products. There are one more third party product is there. Apart from the Google, we have a one more product that is called as a keyword everywhere. We have to activate keyword everywhere. Just type keyword everywhere. Okay, keyword everywhere, just type in your Google. To install this one, to install this extension, okay, to install this extension, what we have to do, we have to add your account on a right top corner. If it is not added like a guest, if it is termed as a guest, then you will not be able to add an extension. What we have to do, we have to add an account here. Okay, we have to add an account, we have to give the name for the account, and we have to add the account. Okay, if you are added an account, if you are added an account, okay, then you will be able to install this keyword everywhere. Just check that if it is not added, just click on that guest and add the account. Here adding a account, like here you can say that, you can give the name, then say add, and it will add the account. Okay, it will add the account like this. Okay, you can sign in so that it will be get added. So once you have been added an account, then keyword everywhere, just click on that keyword everywhere. Okay, first option keyword-everywhere.com. You will open the web page. Open the web page. First we have to install for a Chrome. Okay, if you are using a Firefox, you can use this one for installing in a Firefox. If you are using a Google Chrome, then use this install for a Chrome. Select that one, install for a Chrome. The extension has been selected here. We have to add to Chrome. We have to give it as a add to Chrome, then add extension. Once extension has been added, once extension has been added, here you can see here extensions. Here Google keyword planner is already added. For example, now if you are going to a Google, if you are searching for a like hero bike, okay, here on a right hand side you are able to get a detail about that particular keyword. Detail about that particular keyword, you can see here trend data for the hero bike in a globally, it is showing that, okay, yearly it has been taken. Okay, how the trend is, okay, search interest is increasing or decreasing, you can check for the last 7 days, you can check like this. Okay, how the how about that particular last 7 days trend, you can check here. Okay, then again here some of the related keywords also it will give in the sense, not only hero bike, what are the other things they have been searching, like hero new bike 2020, hero Honda bike price, okay, hero bike BSX. Okay, these are the top searched keywords. Okay, top search keywords in a Google. Okay, it has been given here. Then here people also search for, in the sense, some of the other keywords, like apart from the hero, others also they will search for a Honda bikes, two-wheeler price, okay, hero HF deluxe. These are the other things they have been searched for in a Google, so that you'll get to know about a detail for a particular keyword. Again you can see here on front of that particular keyword, you can see what is the traffic here for that particular keyword, 490 per month. Okay, in a month 490 visitors are there, and related keywords are about 68 related keywords they have. Okay, you can check that one, all the keywords by selecting that one, all the relevant keywords. Okay, their estimated traffic. Okay, search engine page result position, in the sense, is it in a top 3, top 2, top 1, like this you will get to know about which keyword has a highest ranking. Okay, you can directly, what you can do, you can take a print of that. If you like to get a print, if you like to get a PDF, you can download in a Excel file also. So this is a one helpful thing, okay, which will give you the detail about a keyword, like very easy to check, okay, related to the zig wheels, how many relevant keywords are there, another 31 relevant keywords we have, and how many traffics we can expect 260 per month. If you click on that, it will give the detail about how it become a 260. In the sense, it will give you the in detail about what are the other relevant keywords. Okay, you can search for anything like organic food. Okay, if I search for organic food, you can see how many keywords are there, related keywords on the right hand side it has been given. Okay, then you can see that other keywords also people also search for also it is given, so it will give you idea what are the things I can write. And for each website, how many traffic is there about this particular Wikipedia site. Okay, there is a 4200 visitors per month it is there. And how many keywords they have been used, that is nothing but 329 keywords are there in this particular page. Okay, which are the keywords they have been used, you can click on that to get a in detail about the keywords which they have been used in their web pages. Okay, because of that keyword, okay, because of when they have been used organic food, that keyword, they have been ranked one. What is organic food, somewhere they have been written about what is organic food, okay, within that web page. Okay, that particular thing it will give you the detail about okay, what is organic food, they have been given somewhere, okay, in their web page. Because of that, their ranking was about 4. Okay, like this you can use this keyword everywhere, you can use this keyword everywhere. Very simple, we have to go to the here keyword everywhere, we have to install. If you like to remove, you can remove from the Google, okay, by using this one, remove from the Chrome, you can remove it from your browser. Okay, if you like to, if you like to have it, you can have it this one. Okay, it will give you the in detail about a trend as well as the related words and a related search. It is similar to your Google keyword planner. Okay, it is also free of cost, you can do it. Okay, whatever you are searching in a Google, it will give you the insight about that, as well as the how much traffic has been generated by the existing websites. Okay, these are the traffic, these are the traffic and keywords they have been used, total number of the keywords they have been used in their website, okay, related to this organic food, and how many visitors are there for that particular website can be identified by using a keyword planner. Oh, sorry, keyword everywhere. Okay, keyword everywhere tool, by using that particular extension. This will be helpful to improve your SEO by considering these keywords. One which has been used by your competitor, you can use some of the keywords in your web page also, so that you can improve your ranking in a search engine.